Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore memory leaks in Android using Android Profiler, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Android Studio and load your project. Ensure your device or emulator is connected. Navigate to the top menu and select View. From the drop-down, choose Tool Windows. Then, select Android Profiler. This will open the Android Profiler window at the bottom of your screen. Make sure your app is running on the device or emulator. In the Profiler, choose the Memory tab. Monitor the memory usage to identify any spikes. If you notice a spike, take note of the time. Pause the Profiler to capture a memory snapshot. Click on the Dump Java Heap button to analyze the memory. Once the heap dump is complete, it will show you a breakdown of memory usage. Examine the list of active objects. Look for objects that should have been released. Select any suspicious objects to analyze further. Check the retained size to see how much memory they are holding onto. Make sure to observe the references keeping these objects alive. Use the call tree to navigate through the code. Determine if there are any unintentional references. Investigate your code for possible leaks. Pay special attention to static variables, singletons, and inner classes. Make necessary adjustments to your code to eliminate leaks. Rerun the Memory Profiler to monitor changes. Repeat the snapshot process to verify improvements. Continue fine-tuning your app until memory usage stabilizes. Once resolved, make a note for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.